I think I'm going to try, probably, this here was the one that I thought would probably work the best for my situation. So I'm going to throw this guard on and throw this wheel on and give it a try. Get some extra motor brushes in case you're just wheeling so much you burn yours out. Small wrench, 2 pieces of key stock, Allen wrench. There is a little bit of a burr on the end of this. You can see it's already messing up the key stock. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna get a file. Just file that little burr off real quick because these aren't going in right now. Let's grab a little square file. Slides right in now. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna tap this in. Really snug fit on this. So if you guys are having issues getting your key stock in, just follow that little burr. I'm sure it's just from them machining the keyways. So like I said, we're going to try this wheel. So if you look at these wheels, this Eastwood wheel, it does have a rotation arrow, so it has to be put on the correct way. If you look on this side of the tool, there's also an arrow showing that this rotates counterclockwise from looking at the end of the shaft. So I'm going to try this wheel here, this drum. It does not have an indicator, so you can kind of look at it and see that they're pretty much straight. They might be curved a little bit, so that's counterclockwise. I'm going to put it on this way. A little bit of a tight fit. Gonna put the washer and the bolt in the end of the shaft. Give this thing a try. So here is an example of what I'm talking about. Sometimes when we get material in, it does have a little bit of surface rust, or this little bit of surface rust might come whenever it's just been sitting on the shelf for a few weeks, few months. The stuff will end up rusting, even though there is like an oil coating. So this piece isn't too bad, but to sit here with a grinder and clean this up is it's not ideal. So this tool being a 4-inch, this one here I think is 4x4, so that'll let me clean a 4-inch wide piece of metal in one pass. It should make things a lot quicker. This thing clamped down. This here, I believe, I'd have to look it back up again, but this here was a 120 grit burnishing wheel with a little bit of sandpaper in it. So I'm going to give this a try, see how it works. So we're going to start out on 600. for the speed, and just give this a quick run. That made pretty quick work of that. 600 might be a little bit low. I'm going to crank it up to 1800 and see how this does.